Hi, I'm Sean with Adaptor Marine Solutions, and today we're going to be talking about the Fusion High Power Mode Amplifier Adapter. This is a very short unboxing. We're going to open our packaging up, and we are going to have two pieces. If I can unclip this, you'll have the piece that goes into the amplifier. This is a left and a right multi-mode amplifier connection for Apollo series amplifiers. And then you will have a bridging adapter. There is a magnet built into this that tells the amplifier that it is in a bridged mode, but you still should go in and double check in the settings that you have everything set up in DSP for bridged. How this works is you take your multi-source speaker adapter, you take your bridging adapter here, and you will simply slide this in like so, until it all clicks together, and then you have one piece here. And now what this does is make it so you have your positive and negative into the amplifier in a bridged mode, and your screw terminals are still exposed at the top for you to tighten down this wire. Again, this is going to be a very simple installation. If you need more help on Fusion's DSP settings, we have another video for that. A link for this product will be in the description below. These come with your amplifier, but sometimes if you don't use them, you may just toss them to the side until you need them, and then you can't find them. That's where these come in handy. Thanks for watching. I'm Sean with Adaptor Marine Solutions, and this was another unboxing video.